Hi there, and today we're going to tackle the Shopify navigation tab not showing in the online store. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and if you are using Shopify before, so the old version of Shopify has the navigation menu right here on the online store, right here in the sidebar. But now, when you go here, we can't really see the navigation menu right here anymore. So this is because the recent update of Shopify has changed the location of the navigation menu. So I don't really know the reason why Shopify did that. So there isn't any description in the change logs that specifies that the navigation menu is changed. So right now in the recent version of Shopify, so the navigation menu can be seen right here in content, and it is now called menus. So right here. So it's still the same as before. You can still edit your menus right here, like your navigation menus. So so if you want to change the menu right here on your online store, you can go ahead and just choose the specific menu. So for example, for the main menu, and then you can still do the same thing. So you can add more pages right here. So for example, if I add like a blog page right here, it's called news. And then if I go to the online store, we can still update our menu like before. So if I view my store right here, so the news page is now added to the main menu. So you just need to edit it right here in content and then go to menus. And then that is basically it. So that is where we can find the previous navigation menu. So it is now right here in content. So it is not in the online store anymore. And then that is it. And thank you for watching.